Good morning, welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some nice conditions out there so far today. Expecting those nice conditions to continue at least through Thursday of this week with moderating temperatures. A really nice taste of spring once we move into Wednesday through Friday with temperatures in the 60s to near 70 degrees across the peninsula. So looking like a nice week of weather across the region. As for this morning at our sounding, we had a freezing level around 1,000 feet, northwesterly winds, fairly uniform throughout the column this morning, around 10 to 15 knots on the levels, increasing up to about 30 to 40 knots between 9 and 12,000 feet, and then seeing the winds increase up to 61 knots at 25,000 feet this morning. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, high pressure in control of our weather, giving us a cold night last night, but that'll slide off the coast today. That'll give us a nice warming trend once we move into the middle of this week. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, we do have a little bit of cirrus cloudiness across the region. You can see as we move back in time, and then moving towards the current time, those cirrus clouds moving overhead. So going to see mostly sunny skies today, just a bit of cirrus cloudiness across the region. So looking at the European model for the next few days, you can see that high pressure in control today and tomorrow, and continuing into Wednesday. They're really taking shape off the southeast coast for Wednesday, Thursday, with very nice, mild conditions across the region. Then we'll see a weak backdoor cold front move through for Friday afternoon. That's going to allow us to see a really nice, warm morning into the early afternoon hours of Friday before that backdoor cold front moves through, giving us a chance of a few isolated showers, low-end chances around 20 to 25%. And then once that cold front does move south of the region for Saturday, we'll see a cooler day for Saturday, but still about seasonable for this time of year, with a slight chance of a few rain showers or sprinkles. And for Sunday, it looks like we'll have another area high pressure from the Great Lakes building in the region that's going to give us more seasonable temperatures and some dry conditions expected. So taking a look at a risk chart for today, a high of 48 today, a low this evening around 34, and then rising overnight into the mid to upper 30s. You can see those winds northwest at 7 to 12 knots, possibly gusting as high as 16 knots this afternoon, then variable and less than 5 knots this evening. That's when a low will occur, and then we'll see those southwesterly winds pick up, still light, about 5 to 10 knots overnight. We'll see a VFR conditions in the next 24 hours. That cirrus cloudiness across the region today, and then for the overnight hours, we'll see some cloud cover around 6,500 feet and 10,000 feet moving the region. Our tides are currently normal. And looking at Tuesday and Wednesday, Tuesday partly cloudy and mild, a high of 63. Tuesday night, partly cloudy to mostly clear with light winds, a low of 39. And for Wednesday, mostly sunny with light onshore winds. We'll see mild temperatures with a high of 61 degrees. Green chart across the board for Tuesday through Wednesday. And moving to Thursday, we'll see a bit more breezy southwesterly winds on Thursday, and then allow for those temperatures to really bump up into the upper 60s for Thursday, seeing a high of 67 degrees for Thursday. And for Friday, we'll see possibly 70 degrees. Good setup for a very warm day with that backdoor cold front moving towards the region, giving us some compressional heating or really warmer flow right ahead of that boundary moving through for the late afternoon hours of Friday. We'll see about a 20% chance of a rain shower, 25% chance of a rain shower on Saturday. As I mentioned, more seasonable conditions to slightly below normal for Saturday and Sunday. Temperatures in the lower to mid-50s with partly cloudy conditions on Sunday with that area high pressure building in. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day. We'll be back tomorrow morning, 8:15 at 10 a.m.